Hello everyone, this is my new project suitcase. We have used GPS in this suitcase and light and weight sensor to get the weight instantly. Now you can see I'm just switching on the weight sensor. Now 0. Now I am just putting one cardboard roll. You can see the weight. So we don't have to calculate whenever we are traveling. We just have to put our luggage into the suitcase, so it will calculate the whole weight. So we don't have to worry about the weightage, overweight and low weight. You can see, and we just have to switch off. There is a modes. You can see now we have installed GPS also to track the whole suitcase, the live location. Now I am just switching on. Now you can see we have installed one light also. Whenever we close, it will automatically shut down. You can see there is no light, but when we open, light will be open automatically. Close, open. When we close, light will be closed. When we open, light will be open. Close, close. When we will be open, so light will automatically open. We have used limit switch here. Now I will show you how we are getting the location through the telegram. We have used the bot, so we just have to put the start location, so we will get the exact location to our mobile phone through the blink app, through the telegram. So we just have to use the bot system to the telegram. Now you can see here I have connected the whole system with Wi-Fi to get the location. I am getting the location. We just have to press this link, so we will open. Through the telegram we are getting the location. We have used battery, node MCU and buck converter and Neo 600, switch and weight sensor up to 10 kg. Now I will show you. We have used antenna here. We just have to put antenna here.